Imagine a world free from the fear of viruses. No more colds, no more flu, no more pandemics. What if we told you that eliminating viral antigens in just 24 to 48 hours is a reality? Viruses are everywhere. They are tiny infectious agents that can cause a wide range of illnesses, from the common cold to more serious diseases like COVID-19. These microscopic invaders pose a constant threat to our health. Viruses spread easily from person to person, through the air or by contact with contaminated surfaces. They can survive on surfaces for hours or even days, making prevention a constant challenge. The impact of viruses on our lives is undeniable. From missed work and school days to the emotional and financial burden of illness, viruses take a toll on individuals, families, and society as a whole. Viruses are incredibly small, even smaller than bacteria. They are essentially tiny packets of genetic material, DNA or RNA, encased in a protein coat. Unlike human cells, viruses cannot reproduce on their own. To replicate, viruses need a host cell. They invade healthy cells and hijack their machinery to make copies of themselves. This process damages the host cell and can lead to cell death. The symptoms of a viral infection vary depending on the type of virus and the cells it infects. Some viruses cause mild symptoms, while others can lead to serious complications or even death. Our immune system is designed to fight off viral infections. However, viruses are constantly evolving, making it a challenging battle. This is where the Neurological Integration System, or NIS, comes in. Our immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect us from harmful invaders like viruses. It is our body's first line of defense. When a virus enters our body, our immune system recognizes it as a foreign invader and launches an attack. White blood cells, such as lymphocytes and macrophages, target and destroy virus-infected cells. The immune system also produces antibodies, which are specialized proteins that bind to viruses and neutralize them. This prevents the virus from infecting more cells. However, the immune system can become weakened or overwhelmed, making us more susceptible to viral infections. Factors like stress, lack of sleep, and poor nutrition can compromise our immune function. NIS is a revolutionary approach to immune support. Neurological Integration System, or NIS, is a non-invasive, drug-free healthcare approach that focuses on optimizing the body's innate healing capabilities. It is based on the principle that the nervous system controls and coordinates all bodily functions, including the immune system. NIS practitioners use gentle, precise touch to assess the communication pathways between the brain and the rest of the body. By identifying and correcting any neurological imbalances, NIS helps to restore proper communication and optimize immune function. Unlike traditional medical approaches that often focus on suppressing symptoms, NIS addresses the root cause of health concerns. By supporting the body's natural healing abilities, NIS helps to create an environment where the immune system can function optimally. In the context of viral infections, NIS is a game changer. By optimizing immune function, NIS helps the body to effectively identify, target, and eliminate viral antigens. The Neurological Integration System takes action eliminating viral antigens in just 24 to 48 hours. One of the most remarkable aspects of NIS is its speed and efficiency. NIS consistently helps the body eliminate viral antigens within 24 to 48 hours. This rapid response is crucial in the fight against viral infections. By quickly neutralizing viral antigens, NIS helps to reduce the severity and duration of symptoms, prevent complications, and minimize the risk of transmission. The 24 to 48-hour elimination timeframe is a testament to the power of the body's innate healing abilities when supported by NIS. By restoring proper neurological communication, NIS unlocks the body's unparalleled natural defenses and allows it to heal itself. In a world where new viral threats are constantly emerging, NIS offers a proactive and effective approach to staying healthy and resilient. Taking control of our own health has never been more crucial. In 2024, we have the knowledge and tools to take control of our health and protect ourselves from the threat of viruses. Neurological Integration System, or NIS, offers a revolutionary approach to immune support, helping the body to eliminate viral antigens quickly and effectively. If you are looking for a safe, natural, and drug-free way to enhance your immune function and protect yourself from viral infections, NIS is worth exploring. Discover the power of NIS today and experience the difference it can make in your health and well-being. Don't wait until you are sick to take action. Invest in your health and discover the transformative potential of NIS. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Your support means a lot to us.